In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign into your Copilot account, a simple process that should take about 5 minutes. Whether you're new to Copilot or just need a refresher, I'm here to guide you through each step to ensure a smooth and seamless sign-in experience. First, begin by opening the Copilot application on your device. You could do this by clicking on the app icon if it's installed on your desktop, or by visiting the Copilot website via your preferred web browser. Make sure that your internet connection is stable, as this will help avoid any interruptions throughout the process. Once you have Copilot open, locate the Sign In button, typically found on the upper right corner of the screen. Click on it to proceed to the next step. It's important to note that having your credentials ready will make this process quicker. In the following window, you'll be prompted to type in your email address. This should be the email address linked to your Microsoft 365 account. Ensure that you enter it accurately to avoid any delay in accessing your account. After typing in your email, look for the Next button, which often appears as a prominent clickable element. Clicking this will take you to the next phase, where you'll need to enter your password. Now let's talk about entering your password. Make sure to type it carefully, paying attention to any capitalization or special characters. Keeping track of your password is crucial, so you might want to consider using a password manager for efficiency and security. If you happen to have forgotten your password, most platforms offer a forgot password option, so don't panic. At this point, if your account is set up with multi-factor authentication, or MFA, you'll need to complete the verification process. This might involve a text message, an authentication app, or a biometric scan, depending on how your account security is configured. Ensure you complete this step, as it offers an added layer of protection for your account, making it much more secure against unauthorized access. Once you've successfully completed any necessary verification, go ahead and click on the Sign In button to finalize the process. If everything is set up correctly, you should be taken to your Copilot dashboard, where you can begin exploring and utilizing all the features and capabilities that Copilot has to offer. And that's it. You've successfully signed into your Copilot account. I hope this walkthrough has made the process more straightforward and easy to follow. If you encountered any issues during the sign-in, consider reaching out to Copilot support for further assistance. Thanks for tuning in, and happy exploring.